I am on the Carnival Sunshine, the former Carnival Destiny, and we are looking at a Cloud 9 spa balcony, cabin 12010 on deck 12. Let's go inside. Here we go. That's something that didn't exist way back in the early aughts on the ship. So that's to save power, make sure your card is in there. Let's see, the lights are on. And this is what the room looks like. Closets to the right of me, including a robe and slippers are down there. Life vests, just in case, you never know. Closet with what looks like 9 hangers. So if I need more hangers, I could probably talk to my cabin attendant. And then another closet here with a bunch of shelving space. I mean, that's pretty good for closets, I think. There's a little storage cube up here. The safe is behind here. Boop. There she is. Phones, other stuff. There's my fun times. These are really neat. They're now providing these entertainment schedules for the ship, which is really amazing. And I wish they had started doing this a lot sooner than now. So, drawers, of course. There's my hairdryer, and then other drawers all the way down to there. Another drawer here. My laundry bags, my forms for that. 120 volt power. Also a 230. An excellent mirror. Hi again. Hello. And then a cooling fridge, which of course can keep things nice and cool. But if you want them even cooler, here's your ice bucket. Fairly decent TV. It's not one of the big ones like on the newer ships, but it is not bad at all up here. Let's see, we got a sofa here, the nice Serenity towels. Those are really nice. And then I have my bed, which is in the king configuration, and plenty of walking space over here, so I could definitely fit. It's not like those other cabins where you're just kind of pressed up against the bed. And then a balcony, which seems larger than normal, honestly, and so we'll go in there, see what's going on out here. I have a lounger, 2 deck chairs, and this is the Port of Norfolk. There we go. The bathroom here is pretty standard, but you do get the upgraded LMS products. So the shower gel and the shampoo and the bar soap, if you're a big fan of that. And enough towels to sop up the ocean, I think, if you needed to. And plenty of shelving space. That is cabin 12010 on deck 12, a Cloud 9 spa balcony. I'm going to go check out the thermal suites now.